guys, today I'm going to be filming a Korean skincare haul. Sorry, I lost track of my thoughts. A couple of products I've already opened and used, and a couple of them are completely new in their new packaging, and so I'm just going to be showing you guys what they are. I just got home from hanging out with my friends, so I might look a bit trashy, but it's okay. Also, I want to show my shirt because it's so cute. So I got this cropped sweatshirt. This piece is a collaboration between Eggy and Jessica Vu. I really like the drawing. It was drawn by one of her fans, so I thought it was like a really cute, meaningful piece. So first I'm going to be going through this one right here, and this is sent to me by Stylevana. This time it's a bunch of skincare, so I'm going to be showing you guys. I love skincare. Like I spent almost $1,200 on Korean skincare last month. I spent a huge amount of money on Korean skincare, and so, you know, I feel like I have a clear idea of like what I want and what I don't want. First of all, my skin type is dry combo skin. I got some eczema flare-ups here and there, but like it's not common. I expected longer shipping because they're from Asia, but it got here really fast. And also Stylevana is based in Hong Kong, which is why it may take a little bit faster than Korean based websites. Here's everything, and they sent me so much. I really appreciate it because, you know, I love skincare. So first of all, I have this Fruitia Citrus Brightening Serum. Fruitia is a common brand that I see on Stylevana website for vitamin and like dark spot treatment, like brightening wise. I'm currently using the Huda Green Tangerine Vitamin C Dark Spot Serum. Also, I use sheet masks really often, and I use a lot of skincare products to like help with dark spot and hyperpigmentation and stuff like that, and sun care. So I put a lot of sunscreen on even if I'm not going outside. I'm going to open this to see the packaging of the box. I love packaging that has like the pump instead of the dropper. I feel like the dropper does look more professional and like fancy, but the pump is a lot more convenient in my opinion. Oh, looks like it is more of like a milky texture. It's a very strong citrusy scent, which a lot of people might like because I can see that it's very fruity. So next product. This is the Cerakoll Enzyme Foam Cleanser for all skin type. Well, deep cleans pore. That's something I'm looking for because I do have blackheads. I am looking for products that actually helps with that. So I will try out Enzyme as a chemical exfoliator and let you guys know about how this product works. I love the matte texture of it. We'll see how this one works. Next, I have this Chosun Minyo Beauty of Chosun Apricot Blossom Peeling Gel. Moisture peeling gel with natural enzymes again. Oh, interesting. Seems like enzyme is kind of like an in right now. I currently also have a peeling gel. It's like the brightening one. I'll see if this one changed my opinions on peeling gel, because as of right now I'm neutral. Like I could use it, but I don't reach out for it. Next, I have this. Oh, I love this product. I restocked it twice already, and I got one for my boyfriend. This is the Cioris Time is Running Out Mist. I'm so glad they sent me this because this is one of my holy grail. I already used up my other bottle. It's like in my pile of used products already. The inside looks like that. It's mixed with fruit extract, water, and oil. If there's something that you have to pick out from this haul, this one is the one to go. It has macadamia oil and jojoba oil, which is the rave nowadays. It's like the skin barrier protection kind of oil. Next, I have this. Oh, is a CC essence. I'm guessing CC is like vitamin C. So it's supposed to be more like brightening. It's a clear essence. Oh my gosh. I've never used a Japanese. It's a very oily, and it smells a bit like medicine. Like vitamin C plus medicine. Oh, see how this goes. I'm actually very scared because the texture is not what I'm used to. The next product is IOP Derma Repair Cica Cream. I love Cica Cream. Where's my other cream? I have the Dormitory Cica Cream and then the VT Cica Cream. I'm going to be talking about this a bit later. Asiatica centella is an ingredient that I love. Like, I absolutely adore it. I own a lot of centella Cica products because of how calming and natural the ingredient is. I wanted to bring up some products that was sent to me by VT Cosmetic, and again, you can find all of these products on Stylevana. VT Cosmetics sent me these 3 items and a set of, I'll tell you later, but I will talk about these 2 since I've used them already. This one I haven't used yet. It is a toner. It does contain PHA, which is perfect for exfoliating your skin if you have sensitive skin because it's a very gentle chemical exfoliator. I love this emulsion right here. I currently don't own any emulsion other than this one. Here's how the emulsion looks like in light texture. I would even say that if you have oily or combination skin, this would be a pretty good moisturizer. And this one actually leaves a bit of a glow too. That's the emulsion. And then the cream. This cream is definitely very interesting. The color of it, it's like a jade green color. It's almost as thick as like a balm. Again, a bit of a strong scent. So if you don't like that, maybe you won't enjoy the line as much. But if you're someone who loves scented products, especially like the very herbal scents, I think this line would be perfect for that. Finally, oh my gosh, okay, I'm so excited for this one. VT Cosmetic and BTS have collaborated before and they're collaborating again for this hand cream collection. Give you guys a closer look on the box. And the inside, like sis. This is the signature hand collection set. There's like 7 scents too for the 7 members. Each cream has their own scent. The ocean one, which is the lavender one, and I'll show you what it says on here. This is musk. This is ferret, bois, citrus, cotton, poudre. So yeah, I'm so excited to like actually try it, but I'm also scared to try it because it's so bougie looking. All these products can be found on Stylevana website, and if you use my code, you will get up to 15% off, 10 to 15% depending on which brand and which products you buy. All those information again I will leave down below in the description box. Go ahead and check out the website. Thank you for watching the video and I'll see you guys soon. Bye.